How to download all photos from Messenger. Launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards three-line icon at top right corner. Now scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy option and choose Settings option. After that, tap See More in Account Center. Now tap on Your Information and Permission option. Select Download Your Information. Tap Download or Transfer Information button and tap the specific types of information. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and tap Post option and tap on Next button. Now tap Download to device and create a file. Then your information will be prepared for download. Once you do that, you will receive mail. Once you have got the mails, you can simply open the folder and then access photos of Messenger. That is how we download all photos from Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.